Press releases are one of the most effective ranking strategies that all SEO marketers are using to crush their competitors. But it is not easy because press releases are really hard and time-consuming to write yourself. Press releases are also very expensive if you decide to outsource it to a content writer, and they do take some time to write. You'll be spending easily $20, $50 per press release and having to wait 1 to 2 weeks for it. Press releases are also one of the more expensive backlinking strategies at a cost of about $100, $200 per syndication. But what if I told you there is a new, done-for-you AI press release writer and distribution service that allows you to get free buyer traffic via fast page 1 rankings, without the usual complicated process, expensive fees, and without having to do any of the work yourself? PR Scribe. New AI Press Release Writer allows you to leverage one of the most powerful ways to get fast page 1 rankings. Get more free buyer traffic and sales with as little work from your part as possible. And it is as simple as following 4 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the web-based dashboard. Step 2. Start a new PR project. Choose interactive mode or auto mode and fill out the requested information for the product, service, or business you're wanting to promote. Step 3. Hit create and watch the AI engine write you a perfect, human-like, ready-to-publish press release in a matter of minutes. Step 4. Click on distribute and immediately send your freshly written press release to be submitted to a network of high-quality, authoritative news sites. Going through all 4 steps will take you no more than 3 minutes to complete. No expensive fees, no waiting, no hurdles, no complications, nothing. It literally requires 0 work on your part. You're just telling PR Scribe app what you'd like it to write and distribute for you. Visit the below link to see the demo video.